Creating effective LinkedIn marketing posts. Hey there, friends! You have just finished creating, personalizing, and optimizing your LinkedIn marketing channels, and you learned to use the perfect way to discover the best performing content for the platform. And now it is time to create and publish your first content piece. There are two ways to post content to LinkedIn, and in this lesson, we're going to focus on LinkedIn posts. With LinkedIn posts, you can publish bite-sized advice, curated content, and native content with rich media. Are you ready to learn how to properly create LinkedIn posts that reach people and get results? Yes? Then let's do this. Getting started. Start on the LinkedIn homepage. There you'll find the newsfeed, and on top of the newsfeed, the post editor. To start creating a post, you simply have to click on Start a Post. Creating a LinkedIn marketing post. This will open the post editor, which you can use to create your marketing posts. Now, a truly effective marketing post is built by a series of elements that, put together, maximize your reach and engagement. Let's start by composing the post in the text field. The first element of an effective LinkedIn marketing post is an actionable phrase to open your post. It can work as a headline, and you have to use a phrase or question that makes a user stop and read. In general, opening your post with a question related to a pain point or topic works best. The second element is a summary. You are going to compose a brief summary below the headline. This is a brief description of the content you'll be using as backup for your post. The content is the third element of an effective marketing post. Let's elaborate first. In general, it is better to use backup content, such as a link to an external article, a branded video, an image, or an infographic, instead of long, plain text copy. This is because it is best to expand plain text copy into native content for an article. For this example, we're going to use an article on our website as backup content for this post. There are three marketing objectives we'll be achieving this way. First, we'll be driving targeted and highly relevant traffic to our site. Second, we are creating a legitimate backlink. And third, we will be promoting our site to a new audience. Okay, so what we'll do now is to paste the article URL into the text field, right below the headline and summary. Please note that when you insert a link into a post, LinkedIn will generate a link preview that includes the feature image from the article page. This way, you'll be using two different types of backup content. Of course, if you want to use a different type of backup content such as a video or image, you'll simply have to click on the video or image icons below the text field so you can upload your media. And now that the post is fully composed, it is time to add the fourth element, the hashtags. For this, you simply have to click on the Add Hashtag button. LinkedIn will suggest hashtags according to the content that you added to your post. To add a suggested hashtag, you'll simply have to click on it. Our recommendation is that you add up to 3 hashtags. Publishing a post the right way. And now that you have fully created your post, it is time to publish it. For this, you'll simply have to click on the Post button. And that's it! Would you like to learn a way to maximize the reach and engagement of your LinkedIn marketing post at a very affordable cost? Then tune in to our next lesson to find out.